Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Where the hell have you been, bitch? Just thought I'd quickly pop on here and just come and have a chat, catch up. Obviously it has been so long since I have done a YouTube video. I have all the intentions of vlogging all the time and I just never get around to doing it. I am such a type B, type C, type Z mum, so if you can relate, hello, hi, please let me know I'm not alone. Life is just hectic and crazy and I'm trying to build my own business. Classic YouTube era, I ran out of storage on my storage card. But yeah, I'm just such a type. I'm just so swept away with the fairies, away with motherhood, building a business, running a home and just life. Like, it's crazy. I've had all intentions of always filming and like letting you guys in on my life and, you know, just keeping you up to date, but it just doesn't ever happen. Like, I'm active more on Insta and definitely TikTok, but like I say, I barely even post on them as well. I've like kind of gone so incognito, it's crazy. But I have got another delivery from Coee Bags. Now, they kindly sent me 2 items. One of them I am so heartbroken about. I will insert a picture. It was the Chanel Dad sliders in white. Oh my god, they are the most beautiful shoe ever. The quality was 10 out of 10 and I haven't got them anymore because I have misplaced them and they're gone. So sad. I am going to repurchase them because they are my most worn shoe. They are my favourite, obsessed, love them so much. Honestly, if you're looking for a slider, I also have them in black. And black, I've got the slingback ones, but the white ones, I actually got like the full shoe, the strap on the back as well. Love them, so comfortable. I do size up, so I'm a 5 usually, and I get a 6 in the shoes just because I feel like replica can sometimes come up slightly smaller, so I've always just sized up in the shoe and they've fit me perfectly. But yeah, I recommend them. If you are looking for a sandal, then definitely go for those ones. Honestly, they're so nice. I wear my black ones all the time and I was wearing my white ones all the time until they just vanished on me. But I did also pick up a bag to match said sandals. I'm so emotional about it. But I haven't owned a white bag. I don't have a white bag. I don't know why. Just don't. So I picked up a gorgeous little Chanel number. So as you can see, you get the bag, you get the dust bag, and inside your box you get your like shopping bag, your actual shopping bag. So if you were given this as a gift, you can obviously give it like that, and then you get your like receipt and all your papers and everything else in here, which is just a nice little touch. Obviously just makes the whole experience. So then you get your dust bag, and this is the bag I went for. Don't know the actual name of this, so I am gonna have to check online, but it's this gorgeous little mini handled, really thin little bag. It has got that champagne gold detail with the Chanel logo in the middle. You've got the Chanel on the top there. We've got the Chanel around the clasps, if it's going to focus. The Chanel around the clasps. Excuse my outgrown nails. Like I said, yeah, mum life. But what I really loved about this is the hardware on it is such a light gold that it's like a very champagne-y colour. So it's almost, you can wear it with silver or with gold because it's not that heavy yellow gold, which I love. So you've got your obviously your little logo in the centre, and then it just opens and is a little flap. That is what it looks like inside. You have got the Chanel detailing in there, and then obviously a little card holder section. But it's a really nice size. It looks extra small, but you can fit an iPhone 16 Pro Max in there with space. I normally fit a couple of tampons, lip gloss, anything like that. I can fit it all in there. Yeah, you can fit a fair amount in there. You do actually have space in the top as well, so when it is folded, I feel like it's like a vanity kind of style, but it is obviously a bag. You can obviously just hold it. This is, the chain is fully detachable as well. I've actually only worn it with the chain on, but you can obviously wear it with the chain off. Really, really gorgeous, absolutely stunning. I adore this. I think it is so classy, so beautiful, and it is just the perfect finish to any outfit. I've just realised there is also engraving on these little bits here. The attention to detail is always perfect. They get it right every single time. No one has ever thought that my things are replica. Obviously I do have some real, but a lot of my stuff is now replica from Coee Bags, because one, why the hell not? Like, I'm not like a materialistic person. Like, I love to have nice things, but I'll have nice things from Zara. Do you know what I mean? I don't need to have, it doesn't need to have a label on it for me. But yeah, I have got a forever growing collection from Coee Bags. They are my favorite go-to. I do have a discount code as well, which is Amy13, I think. I will double check, but I will pop it in the description, so definitely check that out. I'm going to leave all their links and their WhatsApp there as well. I communicate with them on WhatsApp. It's so easy. They are so friendly and the communication's amazing. You can look on their website for stock, or you can send them pictures of items and say, can you get this? And 9 times out of 10 they can. So I'll leave all their details down below. Thank you once again to Coee Bags for kindly gifting me this and my gorgeous sandals. That it's a sad topic, but thank you so much. And for all of my bags and my shoes and my trainers in the past, honestly my favorite, most trusted go-to company. The shipping's really fast as well, considering it's coming from China. The shipping is incredibly fast. It's always FedEx, you get the tracking, and it's with you within a couple of days really, which is amazing. But definitely check them out. They are my go-to, they're my favourites. I will always rave about them. Yeah, hopefully you'll be seeing my face a lot more. If you don't already follow me on TikTok, then please do go and follow me over there. Follow me over on Insta. If you're in Essex and you want lash lifts, brow lamination, lip blush, microblading, brow tattoo, it's my new venture, so definitely come and check me out. But yeah, I hope to see you all soon. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed, and don't forget to subscribe. Who knows, you may see me again very soon. Fingers crossed I get my act together. But once again, thank you so much to Coee Bags. Thank you for kindly gifting me, and hopefully I'll be working again with them very soon to bring you some more amazing dupes that I'm sure you're going to all want to get your hands on. So take care, have a nice rest of your summer, and I'll see you all soon.